many eyes does a spider have? Spiders have two fangs, one cephalothorax, joined head and middle, one abdomen and 8 legs. But how many eyes do these arachnids have? Most spiders, but definitely not all spiders, have 8 eyes. And the way those eyes are arranged can often help scientists work out what kind of spider it is. Of course, that's assuming they are prepared to get close enough. Spiders usually have some eyes on top of their heads and some more in front. With so many eyes, it's a bit surprising that they usually don't have good eyesight. Instead, they probably just see light and dark shapes moving around. When they are hunting, they make up for that bad eyesight with an excellent ability to sense vibration and taste. Where do crocodiles live? Crocodiles, the largest of living reptiles, are found throughout the tropical and subtropical regions of the world. Crocodiles are found on all the continents of the world except for Europe and Antarctica. The geographical range of this reptile species spans across North America, South America, Asia, Africa, and Australia. Their natural habitat includes freshwater sources such as rivers, lakes, etc., as well as brackish water sources. Even though crocodiles can stay on land, they always prefer staying around some source of water. In fact, their diet predominantly consists of the large animal species which come to drink water. They lie in the water body with only their eyes and nose above the surface and wait for the prey to come closer. As the prey closes in, they swoop out of water, catch it with their strong teeth, drag it into the water and feed on it. These crocodiles can grow up to immense size, which makes relatively easy for them to grab their prey. With the biggest crocodile in the world growing up to almost 20 feet, even larger prey find it difficult to escape from this wild beast. Why do turtles have shells? A turtle has a shell because it provides it with protection. Almost certainly the original and most widespread role of the turtle shell is protection from predators, something that's especially useful given the slow, careful foraging styles of most turtles. Different types of turtles have different types of shells, which all provide benefits in their own ways. All turtles have some types of shells, but there are big differences in the protection those shells provide. Some turtles, such as the American and Asian box turtles, have hinges on the lower shells, which allow them to go inside their shells and then close up the doors, front and rear. Some turtles have special shells that allow them to bring their head, arms and legs into their shells for complete protection from predators, while others, such as the leatherback sea turtle, have softer, more leather-like shells that allow them to swim deeper down into the sea. In 230 million years, they have evolved to utilize very different habitats. They live everywhere on Earth except the Arctic and Antarctic. What are earthworms? One of the Earth's original recyclers, earthworms are our planet's greatest composters. They help keep the soil fertile so plants can grow. When they burrow into the ground and turn up soil, they expose it to oxygen. As they dig deep, they eat decomposing organic matter like leaves and roots and extract the nutrients from them. When the worms come up to the surface and excrete their waste, they release those nutrients which plants need to live and grow. And finally, earthworms themselves also are a food source for birds and other animals. An earthworm manages to get by just fine without a lot of the organs and physical features that humans depend upon. The earthworm doesn't have feet or hands, so it moves around by expanding and contracting the little segments of its body. The earthworm doesn't have ears, so it can't hear, but it can sense vibrations that indicate a predator is nearby.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.